चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल बोलो जुबान केसरी।
तो फिर मैं इस पे ऐड करूंगा, दोनों सीट पे कंफ्यूजन आपको लगता है तो मैं 100% करूंगा, दोनों के दोनों सीट भारतीय जनता पार्टी निकाल रही है, क्योंकि नॉर्थ गोवा की सीट लास्ट 5 इलेक्शन से हम कभी हारे नहीं है और इस बार भी नहीं हार रहे हैं। साउथ गोवा की सीट 2014 में हमने जीती थी, 2019 में हमने विद मिनिमम मार्जिन में हमने लॉस की थी, लेकिन इस बार यानी दोनों के दोनों साउथ गोवा की सीट भी हम यानी विद द 25,000 ऑफ द मार्जिन हम वो सीट जीत रहे हैं।
Okay, Pramod Sawantji, I thank you very much for joining us, and you'll join us again, I hope, on the 4th. Chief Minister of Goa going to Assam next, ladies and gentlemen, where we are seeing an upswing for the BJP. We're seeing an upswing, and the PMark and Matri's are both, I think, predicting that upswing with Matri's. Matri's projection is in Assam 10 to 12. PMark is about 10, 11. So both of you are predicting 11 seats. Assam BJP got 9 seats last time out of 14. Ramesh Sabharwalji, one of the last remaining strong Congress strongholds, but both are predicting about 4% loss in vote share. 4% loss in vote share. Anything? Any comment from Congress you on that, Animesh?
So essentially, 2019 election was there was an alliance of Congress party and the AIUMF. And in this election, what we are seeing is, since all the parties are contesting separately, right? So that's why there's a division.
Just 1 minute. I'm requesting our graphics team to keep the national numbers on constantly, because people are calling in right now. A lot of people watching. It's past 8 o'clock. Don't drop that number at all. We've been ahead throughout. Animesh.
Also coming for this.
Yeah, please go on.
So essentially, because the election, which was 2019.
No, I'm again telling the graphics team, keep the national numbers at least on the grid below and put the state numbers on the DV graphics. Let's move fast. Thank you very much. Animesh.
As I mentioned, 2019 there was an alliance of Congress party, but in this election, since all the parties, opposition parties are fighting separately, so that's why there's a drop in vote share, but BJP is increasing their seats.
Has delimitation helped also?
I mean, it is an issue of certainly, but that has been. But
your
I
old
don't
friend
see this
Himanta
as a
Biswa
direct
Sarma,
factor.
Pankaj ji,
Might be
your
because
old
of
friend
Hemant also, because
your-
of Hemant also.
Hemant
Because
is-
earlier Sonowal was the chief minister, so he's defected from the Congress, so might be.
So, but you see how strong the BJP is becoming.
Is a Hemant strong, not a big.
The BJP vote share, the upswing, what is my research team telling me
4%.
something right now?
4%.
36% in 2019 to breaching the 50% mark this time as an alliance. Breaching 50% mark in Assam. Uday Mahurkar, Uday Dada.
I think some credit should go to Hemanta Biswa Sarma also.
Yes, of course.
The kind of politics he has played,
Very,
the way
very
he has
ruthless.
handled the Muslim challenge, you know.
Yeah.
And
Camera on
along
Uday
with that,
Mahurkar, please. Can you
implementation of the
focus the right
policies.
camera? Camera 3.
I think he has
on
done
Uday Mahurkar. Yeah.
He's done a great job.
Yeah.
Hemanta Biswa Sarma is one state
Yeah.
where he should get some credit,
Yeah,
apart from the Prime Minister, of
And
course.
after Narendra Modi and the national leadership at the state level, after Yogi Adityanath,
Yeah.
Hemanta Biswa Sarma was the highest campaigner in terms of traveling
No, the
to
way-
states
I just
outside
tell you
Assam.
one thing
No, no.
about Himanta Biswa Sarma.
Arnab,
The man has
the
got,
way-
the man has got
the-
oodles of
Arnab.
energy, and he's politically very practical.
And the way he has handled the Muslim challenge,
Yeah.
extraordinary.
Yeah.
I mean, a state with 35% Muslim population.
Yeah.
Many of them become Wahhabis.
And again,
The way he has handled them, the madrasa challenge,
please.
the way he has dismantled madrasas which were being, sold as educational
Prediction here, what he's
institutions.
done is he's broken the Muslim vote into Bangladeshi
And the Assamese.
local Assamese
Yes.
Muslim vote. He's broken it into half. He comes on my channel, he said, "मैंने तोड़ दिया Muslim
Local
vote."
Muslims he has managed very well.
He's a man to watch out
Talking
for.
of development,